American Papa. Gonna be smoking up some pork shoulder. Got approximately probably 5 pounds here, 3 kilos, right around there. And first thing I'm gonna do is rub this thing down with some mustard and then some of my homemade rub right here. One of my first steps with this pork is I coat it in mustard, and then I'm going to put my rub on it. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Alright, here's the rub on top of the mustard. My rub is like low salt, really, just probably a teaspoon of salt. The rest is like some Italian seasonings like basil, rosemary, Spanish paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and a little bit of salt, like I said, and that's about it. This is what the pork looks like. And now I'm going to come over here. And that's what it's looking like. So this is what we got right now. We'll let it go for a while, probably an hour, and I'll show you what it looks like in an hour. Alright, it's going. I'm going to get this up to about 250, 240. That's where I want to keep it at. We're about 2 hours in right now. This is what it's looking like. Looking good. This is what the meat's looking like after 3 hours. Looking good. This bad boy's been going on for 5 hours, 5.5 hours. So now I'm covering it. Get that steam going for perfection, probably another hour. And then we'll get to see what it's all about. Hope you're enjoying it. It took a total of 9 hours to get to an internal temp of 98 degrees Celsius. Turned out great, very tasty. Thanks again for watching.